Hi everyone, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. These are the one more ComfoBuds Mini. These are the world's smallest true wireless earphones. I'm going to give you 10 reasons, 10, that's right, 10, why you should think about buying these. And hopefully you'll be just as surprised as I was when I went through all the features, tested everything, and came to my conclusion at the end. So first of all, let's just very quickly show you what's in the box. In the box, you get the earphones themselves, you get USB cable, you get 4 different size silicone tips as well, which is really handy, and some instructions and little card. So let's show you a close-up of the actual earphones. These are tiny. So reason number 1, these are the world's smallest true wireless earphones with ANC. And if you look at them, and I've bring into the frame the AirPods Pro, you can see how small they are. These weigh just 3.7 grams. So reason number 2 is their weight, just 3.7 grams. Reason number 3 why you should consider these is the charging. So they have USB-C, which is a modern method of connection. They can also recharge because they are Qi wireless compatible. Yes, Qi wireless compatible. And they have a quick charge function where 10 minutes gives you 90 minutes of playback. So the next reason why these are so good is how much you get in terms of runtime despite their size. You think, well, there must be a tiny battery in there. These can't last that long. Actually, I don't know how one more have done it, but with noise cancellation switched on, you get 5 hours playback plus another 3 times that from its case. If you have noise cancellation off, that increases to 6 hours playback with another 3 times that from the case. So absolutely incredible runtime you can get from these earphones. The next reason why you should consider these is the Sound ID customization. So when you first get this, download the One More Music app, and I'll cover that off in the next reason. But it has something called Sound IQ. And basically it gives you some sample music options, and you select the type of music you might listen to more, and it runs through tests, and it goes A or B, and you slide it across whether you prefer A, the sound from A, or when you slide it to B, do you prefer B, and hit next. And it does this several times, and eventually it gets to 100% test completed. It then does its calculations and creates a custom EQ for you alone. And it's the first thing you should do before actually giving their first charge, is go into the app and set up the Sound IQ. It really makes a hell of a difference. I can't stress that enough. So the next reason why I should consider this, it actually has its own app. That is so important because the app allows you to customize a number of features. So you can customize the controls, with the touch controls. They all work really well, but you can see here what you can do with the controls. It's really pretty amazing. But the next reason why this is absolutely an amazing true wireless earphone is its noise cancellation. Now, this can reduce the noise by 40 dB using its Quiet Max, One More's Quiet Max technology. And as you can see from the app here, which you can control this from you can have this set up as one of the touch control options as well without using the app. But you've got ANC off, transparency, and you also have ANC on. But when it's on, you have 3 different options. You can have strong, mild, and wind noise reduction, and they all work as described really well. When you have transparency on, the music still sounds good, but you do have a slight little hiss that you can hear because it amplifies the mics. And these do have 4 mics to try and give you good quality sound. But that's the next point why you should consider these, because the mics do a good job of voice calls. Now, it's really important that the mics are facing down, not up when you put these in. So don't insert them incorrectly into your ears. But if you do put them in correctly, you have good quality audio. It's not the best, but it's still good. Another feature which makes these very compelling is if you want to relax or try and get to sleep, these are small enough that I found I could lie them in bed, no problem, and these don't get in the way. But the app includes 30 soothing sounds, and you can adjust there's a timer as well that allows anything from 30 minutes to 150 minutes to auto power off. So if you were trying to get to sleep or just trying to relax or meditate, you have these 30 different types of soothing sounds built into the app. That's really handy. Another reason these are really good is in terms of updates, firmware updates. Because you have an app, it means you can update these, or there are some bug fixes or improvements. One more can send this via the app, nice and easy, and job done. Another reason that makes these very compelling is they are IPX5 dust and water resistant. I mean, I just don't know what more you can have with these. These are just so good. But the last reason, the very, very last reason I want to talk about is the sound quality. Now, these are tiny. And I'll show you how tiny. I'll put one in my ears. And remember, the mic's face down. I have, as you've seen in the close-up, little LEDs. And can you see that? They are just so discreet in my ears. If I put both in, very, very comfortable as well. And there they are in my ears. But the actual sound quality of these, despite their size, they have a 7mm driver. And once I'd done that Sound IQ, I was quite impressed without the Sound IQ, but you really, really must personalise them because everyone hears differently. But with the Sound IQ set up, these were dynamic, punchy, they had good bass, but not, it's still got a punch in the bass. But if you preferred a more neutral sounding sound, that's what you would get. So for me, I had good dynamics, I had good bass, clear mids, nice nice trebles, slightly bright, but that's how I selected it. But everything came across well. These were the test tracks that I used, audio tracks. But yeah, just everything about this, from the amount of time you can use these non-stop, playback time. I can stick them on my Qi wireless charging. They're so discreet, they're so light, they're so comfortable. The noise cancellation options are excellent. You couldn't ask for more than these. And the sort of retail price for these on Amazon UK is about £93. There might be a few offers on One More's website, I don't know, but I did see, I was browsing, I was checking out some of the features, just to make sure I hadn't missed anything, that there was some options there. But there you have it. You might have some questions, I'll be happy to answer them. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care everyone, catch you guys soon, bye for now.